What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing the Red46 skid plate on my E30. I would really like to recommend the Red46 skid plate, but it took forever to get here and I never really got any updates on it. But once it showed up, it's good quality, so if you have a long time to wait, they do eventually ship them out, but it took me about 3 months to get it. So they special make them. You can see this is for the 24 valve because I have an M50 in mine. So they special make them to fit the M50 in the car and have your drain be in the right spot. I've got the car all jacked up now. Looks like I'm gonna have to take this off because you drill up into here and then the other side of it bolts to your steering rack bolts. I've got the front valance off. Unfortunately, it didn't come off in one piece, so half of it's still on, but it should give me enough room to get up under and drill. From here, what you're going to want to do is get a 17 millimeter and take out these two steering rack bolts. Getting to the nut on the top of the steering rack bolt on the back here is kind of tough. You have to go from behind the sway bar by the transmission and in to get to it because you can't get to it from here. The other one on this side you can get to from the front, but this one you need to go through the back. The skid plate bolted up on the back. It's actually a bolt and there's a nut on the back of it for the steering rack. But that's up, drilled the holes through here. Red46 made the skid plate a little too short, so I'm gonna have to hope it just pinches and holds, but those are on. Then I'm just gonna put the bracket up here and bolt these on. The skid plate is finally installed. Got those ones up front. A little hard to line up, but it was able to pinch. So even though the skid plate was a little too short, it was still able to hold. And then back here, I'm gonna grab the light. That one is tightened, and that one's tightened. So now I just have to put the front valance back on, and it should be all done. The skid plate is finally fully installed. It's definitely pretty low, but that just means I have to try a little bit harder to avoid bumps. Definitely excited to not have to worry about hitting my pan on the ground anymore. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you. Stay tuned to see some more stuff with the E30. Not sure what I want to do next, but there'll be something. Something will break and something will have to be fixed. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.